Hello, John. Are you enjoying this beautiful day today?
Yes, Sarah. The weather is very warm and sunny today.
Hello, John. Are you enjoying this beautiful day today?
Yes, Sarah. The weather is very warm and sunny today.
Do you like when the sun shines brightly like this?
To be honest, I prefer sunny days over rainy days.
Do you like when the sun shines brightly like this?
To be honest, I prefer sunny days over rainy days.
Do you want to walk through the park now?
I would love to take a long walk together.
Do you want to walk through the park now?
I would love to take a long walk together.
Should we walk along the walking path or the grass?
Let us stay on the walking path today, Sarah.
Do you see those tall green trees over there?
They look very healthy and strong this summer season.
Do you know what kind of trees they are?
Actually, I think they are old oak trees, Sarah.
Can you hear the colorful birds in the sky?
I hear 3 small blue birds singing lovely songs.
Do their songs make you feel happy today, John?
Yes, their music makes me feel very relaxed today.
Do you see the white clouds moving slowly across sky?
They look like soft pieces of white cotton up there.
Are you feeling hungry after our long walk today?
Yes, I am starting to feel quite hungry now.
Do you want to eat a healthy snack here?
Luckily, I have 2 sweet red apples in my backpack.
Did you wash those fresh apples before leaving home?
Yes, I washed them very carefully with cold water.
Can I have one of your juicy red apples?
Of course, I will gladly share my fruit with you.
Do you prefer eating red apples or green apples?
I like red apples because they taste much sweeter.
Do you see that empty wooden bench nearby us?
Let us sit down and rest our legs there.
Do you enjoy spending your free time in nature?
Yes, I love visiting this peaceful place every week.
Do you visit this park alone or with family?
I usually come here with my younger brother on Sundays.
Do you have to return home very soon, John?
I must go back home at 5 o'clock tonight.
Are you going to cook dinner for your family tonight?
Yes, I am going to make some hot vegetable soup.
Can we meet again tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock?
That sounds like a wonderful plan for our weekend.
Should we meet near the front gate of park?
Yes, let us meet near the big water fountain.
Will you bring some delicious cookies to share tomorrow?
Yes, I will bake some fresh chocolate cookies tonight.
Are you ready to walk back to the station?
Yes, let us walk slowly toward the train now.
Did you buy your train ticket on your phone?
Yes, I have my digital ticket ready on my screen.